No, the mark is
I hate the ocean.
Alright, shut up! Y'all go over there, so I'm sending them to you.
I'm scared.
Moose! Hey! They know who is this man jet in the day, yeah?
Speed off, Jesus. White tees, I'm a beam. Guess I'm a shop.
Welcome back to Images and Media TV viewers and subscribers. Remember, if you are here for the first time, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video. So in this report coming up, we have a Cardi B and Offset in Jamaica. Yes people, the couple came down to celebrate Offset's birthday, and in the midst of things we see where Valiant get to meet Offset. Yes people, it's a good look, great look for the artist. Because we see the artist post that on IG. So we have that coming up to show you guys, and we also have Popcaan take Miss Rona on a jet for the first time.
no, the mark is pedicure. They get to knock come from Arsenal, they got themselves Cardi, welcome to Jamaica again.
So we see where Cardi B and Offset is at a party. Seems like one of them at party like Uptown Mondays, or one of them party there, you know, where you have to visit when you touch the island. And in the midst of things, you see where Valiant get to meet Offset. You know, maybe Valiant rate Offset from a longer time. You know, international personality, you know, that is every young artist's dream to meet, you know, an international superstar. And then them can build up them connection, maybe, you know, drop a collab in the future and stuff like that. We don't sure if it's the first time Valiant meeting an international artist, but you know, this is the first time it come to public, that's we know about it. So good luck for Valiant, him can build up him connections there, you know, possibly to get a collab out of this, you know, can transition over to, you know, the worldwide market. And we also see where Valiant took to Instagram where he made this post, God and Time, you know, a photo with him on Offset. So maybe the boss just say, you know, with God in mind and the right timing, he will achieve, you know, great success. So big up Valiant on that.
I hate the ocean. Ooh. Yeah, baby, make it look good for Instagram. Hey, man.
Alright, shut up! Y'all go over there, so I'm sending them to you.
I'm scared. Oh, no. I don't like it. Sorry. Happy birthday, sexy. I love you.
So we see we are Cardi B and Offset, you know, enjoying the Jamaican life, you know, the sunshine, the island. Yes, people. Seems like they went on the boat, you know, and then them seems like they went to like Duns River and stuff like that, enjoying the nice, cool river water and stuff like that. So big up Offset and Cardi B for taking the trip on the island. You know, it's every foreigner's dream to touch Jamaica, enjoy the Sun Island.
My name is Andre. Looking like $1 billion.
So moving along to other updates, we see where Popcaan took his mom, Miss Rona, on a private jet, people. So it's a good look for the artist, you know, get we can fly mother around the world right now. So Miss Rona enjoy herself on the private jet. So check out this clip, guys. Tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment down in the comment section.
Moose! Hey! They know who is this man jet in the day, yeah? I hope no weed no in transit clear the pasta.
What? What kind of weed?
Moose!
Yo, Papi love trouble Miss Rona, you know. One thing with Popcaan, he might got trouble Miss Rona. So, you know, people say them love the relationship with Popcaan and his mom, you know. Them always like a joke, Popcaan always a trouble him mom. You know, and them just have fun. Yeah, people are so family to live, you know, just spread love, show love all the time. So big up Popcaan for doing this for his mom and his grandfather.
Oh, you feel win when you not get fight. Oh, you feel ride and you not got bite.
So we see recently where Silk Boss and Bree celebrate, them did a celebrate Bree birthday. So Silk Boss and Bree seems like they went to a hotel, Bree enjoy herself. Silk Boss, just celebrating his baby mother, yeah people. So them a enjoy themselves. Silk Boss in a mood and he must sing couple song, he must sing Valiant and he must sing some other song people. So take in this, tell me what you think about it, leave your thoughts down in the comments.
Pumpkin and them. And them pumpkin. Catch ya, man. I catch ya. Fuck ya. That is it, you know. Yeah. I lie? That look like it catch too far. What? Brace is back.
Very good.
Yes, I go? No, man. I'm something I'm left home, man. Some of them girls with them man and take them out and down date and carry them know where they just lock up in a house with all cuff on them hand like say them a prisoner. Don't study me, man, you will mad, man. I know. One more be a badness, I lie.
Nonsense, nonsense. Again. I'm a Nancy pepper.
Nancy pepper.
I'm go hurry. I can't believe you took up nonsense.
Bro, the sausage is big, so.
Sausage big, but you're not broken. You can't come on.
I should have bought it. The big old sausage and fuck guy up.
Love that you say. There's a woman pass right there. Stop with the foolish love excitement. Come here, go for room.
We want to go for room, pa. So we want to go for room in the night. Ready? And that's true business and I go. GLE double par. Exact. Hello? How you gonna? Yeah, man, I can't take a picture, man.
Take one more juice.
Yes, sir. One dance to us.
There is a server in the people. How much of her?
Yeah.
I don't want to go to the
Where next restaurant then?
Then one, because we don't know. I'm trying to go. This is the last restaurant of the 10:15. Just not too long.
You just not too long quarter. Yeah, well, they have to tomorrow and the next day and next day after that.
Where you go, baby? Can we get one of my tree?
Which tree? Long like Christmas tree, don't you say? That I catch too far, I like. Double park, Texas, Panama. Oh, if you a chop and I know one of them, yeah. I hope my face not look like me skate panina that picture there, is enough. We're going to take it to.
So, come try to take a picture then. Please go.
One nice man. Till the landslide, you know. Just there I go and enjoy my day, you know, my people. No big up on yourself, you know, juggle it, though.